Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I will explain about past continuous tense. ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಿರಂತರ ಕಾಲ ಚಾಲು ಭೂತಕಾಳ. Past continuous tense, which is used to indicate a continuing action or event that was happening at some point in time in the past. भूतकाळात कधीतरी घडत असलेली सतत क्रिया किंवा घटना ದರ್ಶವಿನ್ಯಾसाठी ವಾಪರला जाणारा ಕಾಳ. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕೆಲವು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಥವಾ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸಲು ಬಳಸಲಾಗುವುದು. Now let's see first one, affirmative or positive sentences. ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು ಹೋಕಾರಾರ್ಥಿ किंवा ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ. Here is a formula. Subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing plus object. When you using the subject I, she, it, Raj, Lata, you must use was. When you using the subject you, we, they, you must use were. Examples: She was cooking food. ती स्वयंपाक करत होती. ಅವಳು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. Second example, they were playing the football. ते फुटबॉल खेळत होते. ಅವರು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. When there is an initial work and another work going on at the same time, you can use the following sentences like they were battling each other when I entered in the room. ನಾನು ಕೋಣೆಗೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಜಗಳವಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ते एकमेकांशी भांडत होते जेव्हा मी खोलीत प्रवेश केला. Or you can also use when I entered in the room they were battling each other. Another example, I was writing a letter when you called me. तू मला फोन केलास तेव्हा मी पत्र लिहित होतो. ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. Or you can say here when you called me I was writing a letter. Next, negative sentences. Formula: subject plus was were plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Here is the examples. He was not reading the newspaper. तो वर्तमानपत्र वाचत नव्हता. ಅವರು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಓದುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Contraction of was not you can use here wasn't. He wasn't reading the newspaper. Second example, they were not playing the cricket. ते क्रिकेट खेळत नव्हते. ಅವರು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Again here you can use contraction of were not weren't. They weren't playing the cricket. Interrogative or question sentences. Here is a formula. Was were plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. Examples: Was it raining yesterday evening? काल संध्याकाळी पाऊस पडत होता का? ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ವರ್ ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್? ಅವರು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ. ते फुटबॉल खेळत होते का? Last one is WH question sentences. WH question starts from what, why, where, how, whom, whose, which, when, etc. Formula: WH word plus was were plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object plus question mark. Examples: Where were you going yesterday? काल कुठे जात होतास? निन्ने ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ? If someone asks you question like where were you going yesterday, you can answer I was going to the market, or you can reply whatever depending upon their question.